What does a Solicitor General do? The Solicitor General generally has three duties: attending to criminal cases in the appellate court, providing a contribution in quality, and providing a contribution in policy. In a constitutional state, the suspect and the public prosecution service both have the right to present a case to a higher court when disagreeing with the initial verdict. The Solicitor General represents the public prosecution service in an appellate court. Due to limited resources, choices have to be made continuously in criminal justice. Sometimes these can be difficult ones. The right cases have to be presented to the criminal judge, and these cases have to be dealt with in a correct manner. Since it is more likely in the heavier cases that a higher court will be enlisted, the Solicitor General has a good overview of the criminal justice practices of the public prosecution service. From that position, he can lend a contribution in selecting which cases will be presented to the criminal court and in the handling of these cases in a correct manner.